Today, we're diving into the world of gaming accessories with a review of the MageGee 75% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This compact TKL or Tenkeyless keyboard expertly balances functionality and style, making it an ideal choice for gamers and typists alike. With a sleek gray and black design, this keyboard not only looks good, but is also thoughtfully engineered for performance. Let's talk about the star of the show, the blue switches. Renowned for their distinct clicky feedback, these switches provide an audible and tactile response that many gamers crave. This means every keystroke not only feels satisfying, but also offers an engaging typing experience. Whether you're sprinting through a fierce multiplayer match or typing up your next big project, the blue switches deliver precision and responsiveness. Now, onto the design. The compact 87-key layout of the MageGee keyboard is perfect for those who want to save desk space without sacrificing essential functionality. By eliminating the numeric keypad, you have more room for mouse movements, enhancing your gaming performance. Plus, the smaller footprint makes it easy to transport. You can take it to LAN parties or even use it in your home office. Another impressive feature is the LED Blue Backlighting. It not only adds a cool aesthetic to your setup, but also improves visibility in darker environments. With several lighting modes, including breathing and static settings, you can customize the keyboard to suit your mood or match your gaming rig. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or an eye-catching brightness, this keyboard lets you express your style. Durability is key for any gaming gear, and MageGee doesn't disappoint here either. This keyboard is built to withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions, boasting a robust construction quality that can handle aggressive typing and gaming without missing a beat. The keycaps are designed for longevity and resist wear over time, ensuring that your keyboard maintains its premium feel. Compatibility is another strong point of the MageGee Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. It works seamlessly with Windows laptops and PCs, making it a hassle-free option for gamers of all levels. Simply plug it in and you're ready to roll. No complicated setup required. In conclusion, the MageGee 75% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with blue switch offers an outstanding mix of performance, design, and durability. The tactile feel of the blue switches combined with vibrant backlighting and a compact design makes it a solid investment for any serious gamer or typist. Whether you're aiming for the top of the leaderboards or just need a reliable keyboard for daily use, the MageGee keyboard will not disappoint. Thanks for joining me in this review. Game on.